In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up analytics tracking with Mixpanel. By the end, you'll know how to create clear, actionable reports using insights, funnels, and flows so you can understand what users are doing and where to optimize your product. Once you're in your Mixpanel project, start by opening the main dashboard. Look for the button that lets you create something new. This opens the menu of report types. You'll see three core options. Insights helps you measure trends and key metrics over time. Funnels shows step-by-step conversion so you can spot drop-offs. Flows maps the most common paths users take before or after an event, which is great for understanding behavior sequences. Let's begin with Insights. Click Insights to open a fresh report. On this page, select the metric you want to analyze, click Select Metric, and choose the event or property that matters most for your goal. This might be a core action like a sign-up, a purchase, or a feature interaction. You can analyze counts, unique users, or totals depending on how you want to measure engagement. If you're not sure which to pick, think about the question you're answering. How many times did something happen, or how many users did it? Next, add a second metric if you want a comparison. Click Add Metric, then choose another metric that complements the first. Comparing metrics side by side can highlight relationships, like how engagement shifts before and after a feature launch. You can always refine labeling and filters later to keep the view focused and understandable. Clear naming conventions and consistent event definitions will make your reports easier to interpret across your team. When you're ready to examine conversion, move to Funnels. Click Funnels to open the funnel analytics. Here, you'll line up the key steps a user should complete, such as visiting a page, starting a process, and finishing it. Funnels quantify how many users move from one step to the next, the time it takes, and where they drop off. Use this to validate whether your flow is working as intended and to identify the exact stage that needs improvement. Finally, explore user paths with flows. Click Flow to open the path analysis. Choose a starting or ending event, and Mixpanel will reveal the most common actions that occur before or after it. This is extremely useful for discovering unexpected behaviors, finding points of friction, and prioritizing changes that streamline navigation. That's the workflow. Create a new report, use insights for trends, funnels for conversion, and flows for paths. With these tools, you'll turn raw event data into clear, actionable insights.